So I am getting my teeth fixed. Hi my lovelies, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are keeping well. If you're new to my channel, you're most welcome. If you're coming back to watch me, thank you so much and welcome back. I am on Instagram as well. Please follow me and let's be friends. So I'm gonna go straight into this video. I'm getting my teeth done. I have gaps in my teeth, which some of you already know this, but what you don't know is that I feel really insecure about my teeth, especially when I'm very close to people and I'm smiling, because I do smile a lot. I can't help it. I'm a smiler. I've always been since I was a kid, but the problem is I can do that from afar and it's okay, but as soon as I go close to someone and I'm talking to them, I am super conscious of gaps in my teeth. Okay, so I am getting it done with Smilelife. I actually found them on Instagram and I thought, okay, I really like them, so that's Smilelife. I don't know if you can see it. I want to share this journey with you guys because I know some of you may want to have this done. Maybe my journey can encourage you to gain your confidence back. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me with my impression kit. I've already started the journey, but I want to show you guys what I have done first of all, and I'm going to be making more videos about this so that you guys can follow the journey of straightening my teeth. I've ordered the impression kit, which I'm going to show you shortly, and I've had my first consultation. It was done via video call and the guy was really good. To order the impression kit, I will leave the link in the description box below. Click on that link and it will take you straight to the registration page. Register yourself and there will also be a short quiz. It's about 2 to 3 questions, basically to confirm that you are qualified for this treatment. Complete the quiz and then place an order for your impression kit. Don't forget to use my discount code JANEM50. This will give you 50% off your impression kit. And as soon as you place your order, it takes about 2 to 3 days for your impression kits to get to you. Prior to that, somebody would actually give you a call and book you in for your first video consultation. So it's really quick and it's very easy as well. So here's my impression kit. I've already had this done with the orthodontist, but I'm going to show you guys. So that's the box here. So this is the one I've already done with the orthodontist. It looks so weird. I've got an empty one to show you guys. Okay, and that's the pot of Play-Dohs. I will call them Play-Dohs because I don't know what to call them. So that's the Play-Doh thing to mold my teeth in that and send over to them. So obviously after I've done this, I will send it over to them and hopefully I can get my aligners from there. So the first thing you do is you open the pot, the white one and the blue one. So there you go. I'm sorry, it's just me, nobody's helping me with this camera. And you mix them together. I really enjoyed it the first time. It's now blue and you can hardly see the white, and then I will put it like in a sausage shape. You see, I've placed it, so I'm gonna sink my teeth into it. So I'll make sure that it's placed properly in here. I need to be quick so it doesn't go hard. To be honest guys, I don't even know if I did this properly, but that's it. Upper teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one again with the Play-Doh. Play-Doh, 2 Play-Dohs, and I'm gonna push them together. Again, really quickly because they harden so fast. I've lost that one, it flew off my hand. I'm gonna now make it in a sausage and I'm gonna let it sit here. So I'm gonna take out some.
I travel there, looking around for you. I kiss you there, longing for you.
gonna send them off. So he said to me to take 7 pictures of my teeth in different positions and then send to them. So they will send you a link, and through that link I was able to send my pictures. That one. So that's what I used to expand my mouth. So ugly, but I don't think they care. I think they've seen worse teeth than that before. Okay, so yeah, that's the first one, which is really nice. I'm so excited that I'm gonna get this done. Like I said, you guys are gonna follow me on this journey. Once I receive my aligners, I'm gonna make videos of my progress so that you guys can see. So to send back, you've got the postal cover and you've got a bag to send it back, which is really nice, so you don't have to worry about buying your own bag. So in here, they look so ugly. And in the box here, you write your case number, because you get a case number when you register. You write your full name and you write your email address here, and then you pop the items in the box, the return sticker to pop on the bag, and send it off. Aligners take weeks to work, and you will be monitored throughout until your teeth are very well aligned, or you're satisfied and they are satisfied. So I will be taking you guys through that journey. Don't worry, as soon as I receive my aligners, I will make another video and show you guys how I'm wearing them, how I wear them, and how I'm getting on with them. You're going to get to see all of that. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope I haven't traumatized you with shoving things in my mouth and showing you my ugly mouth pictures. Okay, but watch that space. By the time I finish, you're going to love this set of teeth. Okay, if you're thinking about having this done, go straight on their website. I will leave it in the description box below, and use my code JaneM50 to get 50% off your impression kit. Start your journey of a beautiful smile. Okay, and I shall see you guys again very soon. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.